Good morning, kids. It is mashup time today. So we're going to be dealing with some equivalent fractions, and I want you to remember that fractions are equivalent when you simplify them and they are the same. So for example, 1/3 and 3/9 are equivalent fractions. So 3/9 is simplified to 1/3, so 1/3 and 1/3 are equal. I want you to remember that. I would start with a line that you can solve first. So you have to find the gorilla, you have to find the tiger, you have to find the bear, and then you have to find the question mark. So remember, when you simplify fractions, you divide by a fraction equal to 1. So your numerator and denominator have to be the same. 3/3, 4/4, 5/5. That should help you. Figure out what line you're going to start with. Which line can you solve right away, and then go from there. Good luck, guys.